Hello and welcome to the OWC instructional series of videos. In this installment, we'll be upgrading the memory in a 2010 Mac Mini. We've already shut down, unplugged, and placed our Mini on a soft, static-free surface. We are now ready to begin. The first step is to turn the Mac Mini upside down so that we can access the bottom. To open the bottom cover, place your thumbs in the rounded indentations, then gently rotate it counterclockwise until the white dots line up. You may then lift the bottom out and set it aside. You'll find the memory located on the right-hand side of the case. To remove the memory, gently push out on the metal retainer clips until the memory module pops up. You can then pull it free. Repeat the process for the second module. When installing the new memory, note that there's an off-center notch in the memory module that needs to line up with a pin in the memory slot. Slide the first memory module into the lower slot until it's fully seated. Then, push down so that the module is held flat. Repeat the process for the second module in the upper slot. Place the bottom cover so that the two white dots line up. Rotate the cover clockwise until it locks into place. You may now flip the Mac Mini back over, plug it in, and turn it on.